हेलो इन्वेस्टर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम चंद्र प्रकाश पटियार है. आई वर्क विद टाटा म्यूचुअल फंड. I manage a couple of schemes in Tata Mutual Fund, which is Tata Small Cap Fund, Tata Large and Mid Cap Fund, and Tata Hybrid Equity Fund. आज का टॉपिक मैं चाहूँगा टाटा स्मॉल कैप फंड या स्मॉल कैप एज अ सेगमेंट इन द मार्केट, उसके ऊपर डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे. टाटा म्यूचुअल फंड में we launched the small cap fund in November 2018, so almost 18 महीने हो गए हैं. And in these 18 months, काफी कुछ हुआ है in the world and in India. So it is very important that we discuss on what has happened in the small cap fund. Before that, just an introduction of myself. I have been in this industry in terms of managing investors' money for the last 20 years. Started my career with the UTI Mutual Fund. Was there for 7 years in UTI Mutual Fund. Managed some of the schemes there. Post UTI Mutual Fund, I joined Alchemy Capital. Alchemy is a portfolio management services company. PMS कहते हैं उनको. They are one of the largest and best in the country. I was there for 11.5 years, managed money for HNI clients there. And in 2018, September 2018 to be specific, I joined Tata Mutual Fund. November मेरे ज्वाइन करने के बाद ही हमको लगा, in terms of my own view and the investment committee view in the company, we were of the view that small cap as a segment was very interesting at that time, and hence we launched the Tata Small Cap Fund. So it is with that thought that I thought let's start, or let's discuss through a video on the small cap segment, what has happened and what is the future going forward, and where you can see Tata Small Cap Fund going forward. November 2018 में when we launched the small cap fund, if you recollect, or let me just recap, between November 18 and let's say March 2020, before COVID-19, economy had started to recover. Why I say this is that, for example, just to recap again, 2017 में small caps as a segment and even mid caps were performing amazingly well. It was a very high or very strong year for small caps as a segment from a return perspective for investors. मेरे हिसाब से कुछ हद तक valuations went overboard, and 2018 saw a very sharp correction in the small cap segment. When I say sharp correction, it was as good as 40 to 50% correction over 2017. And 2019 continued with that correction. And 2020 में we had just about started seeing some returns in the small cap segment. Just to highlight, for example, when we launched our Tata Small Cap Fund, the NAV started with 10, obviously, in November 2018. And we went to more than 11 rupees for some period of time in between. And COVID-19 struck us, March 23, 2020 is the date when lockdown in India started because of COVID. And since then things have changed in terms of profile, return profile. But it is important to highlight that Indian economy between September 18 and March 2020 has started to recover post the implementation of GST, RERA, इंसॉल्वेंसी एंड बैंक्रप्सी कोड. वो सब इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होने के कारण इकोनॉमी में ग्रोथ स्लो डाउन हुआ था. मनी सप्लाई वाज अ प्रॉब्लम. कुछ उस बीच में NBFCs had started to see an issue. IL&FS happened, Diwan housing happened in terms of defaults in the market, and all of those led to negative sentiment. वो चेंज होते होते थोड़ा टाइम लगा, but second half 2019 and first half 2020, things started looking better. And as I was mentioning, small cap, our own Tata Small Cap Fund NAV started going higher. But unfortunately, COVID-19 impacted the sentiment as well as economic activity. जो अभी भी चल रहा है. We are now we'll soon be in an unlock phase 3. We had a lockdown phase 1, phase 2, and now we are in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 of unlock in India. Metros, fortunately now, cities like Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Chennai are seeing some signs of COVID situation improving, but गांव में अभी थोड़ा सा बढ़ने लगा है, and hence this is specific to the country. So this is where we are today in the economy. I want to highlight on the small cap segment, given that this video is more about small caps today. When we started the fund in November 18, the 251st company in our markets, in terms of market cap, which is where small caps start, 251 company, had a market cap of 8,539 crore to be specific. आज की तारीख में SEBI AMFI list had just come out as of June 2020. The small cap now starts at 6,939 crore. The 251st company in India today, in terms of market cap, has 6,939 crore market cap. What it tells you is that small cap as a segment overall, both the market overall and the small cap segment overall, has seen some amount of derating in terms of absolute valuation. वो क्यों हुआ है? क्योंकि as we all know, March 2020 onwards, we have had continuous lockdown in the economic activity. Businesses अब शुरू हो रहे हैं. हम जब companies से बात करते हैं तो what we see is that businesses are generally reaching anywhere between 70 to 90% capacity utilization compared to normal. Let's say in February 2020 जो number था, उसके मुकाबले आज on an average businesses have reached 80 to 90%, which means that अभी भी decline है on a YOY basis. उम्मीद ऐसी है या hope है कि second half FY20 or FY21, which is the festive season, Diwali, Dashera, Diwali, Navratri के बाद, हमारे businesses will go back to normal, and FY22 will be a strong year. And that is what we all hope. I as a fund manager and most investor community is today keeping his fingers crossed and hoping for a normalcy where business activity can go back to normal without worrying too much on COVID situation. The numbers look better at least. So that's one thought that I wanted to share. The second thing that I want to share is that in a small cap segment, generally मेरा ऐसा मानना है that small cap is a cyclical segment from an investor perspective in terms of valuations. एक टाइम आता है, एक साल ऐसा आता है जहाँ पे वैल्यूएशन बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं, जैसे कि 2017. जब वैल्यूएशन बढ़ते हैं तो स्मॉल कैप में से प्रॉफिट बुक करना चाहिए, और ऐसा टाइम आता है जैसे कि 2020, 18 से 2020 तक चली रहा है, जहाँ पे वैल्यूएशन बहुत सस्ते हो जाते हैं. एंड ऐसे टाइम पे एक्चुअली एलोकेशन बढ़ाना चाहिए स्मॉल कैप में. कितना होना चाहिए एलोकेशन किस इन्वेस्टर का अपने पोर्टफोलियो में, दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द रिस्क एपेटाइट ऑफ ईच इन्वेस्टर. कितना सेविंग्स है, कितना लार्ज कैप में इन्वेस्टेड है, लार्ज सारे सेगमेंट्स में इट मेक सेंस. बट आई कैन से दिस इज दैट गिवन दैट वैल्यूएशन कंफर्ट टुडे फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल कैप सेगमेंट is better or valuations are cheaper, मेरे हिसाब से it makes sense to allocate slightly more than normal in small cap segment today. You need patience obviously, because businesses still have, as I explained, businesses have still reached 70 to 90% capacity utilization. When it reaches 100 or more, जो उम्मीद है कि 2022 में FY22 में होगा, so you will see a V-shaped recovery in earnings for businesses, and hence returns can be higher because valuations are cheaper. What I want to highlight about small cap as a segment, and this is significantly about small caps, अगर आप देखेंगे, and I am referring to my set of investee companies. So मैं generally, when I look at Tata Small Cap Fund, when I try to buy businesses, I look for companies which have a market cap between 1,000 crore and 6,939 crore, which is the 251st company in India today in terms of market cap. उस list में there are more than 350 companies to choose from. The interesting thing there are 2-3 things that I want to highlight about this set of companies that I look at to choose companies from for my fund, for my investing fund, the Tata Small Cap Fund. The first is that on an average, 2013 से, this is not about only this year या पिछले एक साल का, 2013 से, तो काफी लंबा समय है, 7 साल हो गए. 2013 से कंपनीज ऑन एन एवरेज आर डीलेवरेजिंग, मतलब कि अपने बैलेंस शीट में जो लोन होता है वो धीरे धीरे कम करते आ रहे हैं. So this is true for all the 350 companies that I can choose from. For example, this is an example. Tata Small Cap Fund, we are invested around 32 companies in the Tata Small Cap Fund as of today. Out of those 32 companies, 85% plus of the portfolio companies have zero debt or very, very low debt. In fact, they have net cash on the balance sheet. That tells you the story. कि companies में loan नहीं है. These are companies which are very strong companies. And only 15% or lesser as a weightage in the portfolio have slightly higher debt of 0.5:1. And 0.5 मेरे हिसाब से ज़्यादा नहीं होता है actually. But फिर भी, I wanted to highlight that this is a story that is true for corporate India and in general, but more specific about small cap. Generally, जब मैं investor से बात करता हूँ, one question, especially in these COVID times, have come to me, is that small caps, सबके दिमाग में perception है, reality भी है, past में small caps have not done so well consistently. So सबके दिमाग में एक question आता है कि ये companies बचेंगी क्या जब businesses बंद होते हैं. तो उस हिसाब से मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि in our portfolio, at least the Tata Small Cap Fund that I run, 85% plus companies don't have debt. In fact, have net cash balance sheets. And that is why, even in this scenario, companies are not only will survive, but actually, जब things normalize होते हैं, so these companies can grow faster. And that is an interesting thing about the small cap as a segment and the Tata Small Cap Fund in particular. The second thing that I want to highlight is that small caps, generally ऐसा लोगों का परसेप्शन है स्मॉल कैप बहुत वोलेटाइल होते हैं, बिजनेसेस में वोलेटिलिटी बहुत होता है, थोड़ा दूर रहना चाहिए इन कंपनी से. बट आई वांट टू गिव यू अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. इन द कंपनीज बिटवीन 1000 crore market cap and 6,939 crore market cap, the range of 350 plus companies that I can choose from, there are a whole lot of multinational corporations in that list. In fact, Tata Small Cap Fund ही अगर आप देखें पोर्टफोलियो को, more than or closer to 20% of the portfolio is invested in multinational companies which are leaders in their respective sectors, have technology, have strong balance sheet, and the balance portfolio is also invested in Indian multinationals. एक है global multinational, एक Indian multinationals है. So the quality of companies is very strong, and hence ज़्यादा डरना नहीं चाहिए segment से. When valuations are cheaper and quality is good, I think the small cap as a segment makes tremendous sense to invest in. Just highlighting कि COVID के कारण क्या impact हुआ है in terms of performance. The NSE small cap index पिछले एक साल में has corrected by 8.4%. So negative return है, ज़्यादा नहीं है, but 8.4% गिरा है. उस period में Tata Small Cap Fund is positive 1.1%. So we continue to deliver good performance compared to the benchmark index, and that shows that we can deliver good performance going forward as well. In terms of how do we manage our Tata Small Cap Fund or our investment philosophy in terms of managing and why we have done well till now, for example, our NAV is very close to 10 rupees. So we launched in November 18. We are still very close. 9.96 was yesterday's NAV, for example. So we've kind of held on to our levels without capital correction, sustainable. So we think we can do well. Why is this happening? हम लोग growth at reasonable price investment philosophy follow करते हैं. In simple terms, जो क्या हम choose करते हैं, companies हम कैसे choose करते हैं, is that we look for companies जहाँ पे profits of companies can grow at 25% plus CAGR over the next 3 to 4 years. और generally हम लोग 3 से 4 साल के लिए पैसा invest करते हैं किसी कंपनी में. उस 3-4 साल में अगर किसी कंपनी का प्रॉफिट हर साल 25% प्लस ग्रो हो रहा हो, ऐसा कंपनी हम चूज करते हैं. साथ साथ में not only do we focus on profit growth, but balance sheet quality is of utmost importance. आज के ज़माने में जहाँ पे रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कमिंग डाउन, दुनिया भर में नेगेटिव इंटरेस्ट रेट है, बट अगर अच्छा बिजनेस नहीं है, जिसके पास लोन ज़्यादा है, वो बिजनेस बंद जल्दी हो जाता है, उसको कोई पैसा देने को तैयार नहीं होता है. और जब जिसको नहीं चाहिए उसको उसके पीछे लाइन लगी रहती है पैसा देने के लिए. Similar is true for small caps today. We would like to buy companies जहाँ पे loan in balance sheet is very low. As I explained, हमारे यहाँ in our portfolio, Tata Small Cap Fund, 85% plus companies don't have debt or have net cash balance sheet. And even the balance 15% have very low debt actually. Very manageable free cash generation. That is what we focus on. So high profit growth, strong balance sheet, and at the same time, we look for reasonable valuations, which means that over a period of time, जब कोई कंपनी प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ 25% प्लस साल में कर रहा है, अगले 3-4 साल अगर ग्रो करने वाले प्रॉफिट डबल होता है बेसिकली 2.5-3 साल में, तो उसका रिटर्न मार्केट काफी अच्छा देता है, उसमें वैल्यूएशन बढ़ने का स्कोप ज्यादा होता है. And that is what a combination of high profit growth, free cash generation, and reasonable valuation is what we look for in businesses that we buy in Tata Small Cap Fund. And I think that is what will hold us well over the next 3 to 4 years. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि given the, as I explained, given the valuation discount that small cap as a segment are trading compared to large caps and mid caps in the market today, and the kind of quality businesses that are available, जहाँ balance sheet में debt कम है और free cash generation hai, and companies which can grow faster, MNCs for example, I explained, Indian global MNCs. The last point that I want to highlight, and given that small cap as a segment, wo jo 350 plus companies hain, they're largely manufacturing oriented companies. Unlike the large caps or mid caps where a lot of proportion is in services part of the portfolio, small caps generally are more manufacturing oriented, chemicals, pharma, engineering exports, auto ancillaries. These are some segments or a very large part of the small cap segment. These are companies which are benefiting from anti-China sentiment in the world. In fact, India is a very large manufacturing partner for global companies who want to source their, for example, engineering exports have started picking up in India. Chemical exports is doing very, very well. Agriculture, agrochemical seeds are doing very well. So these are some segments of the market or economy which are present solely in the small cap segment. And I think if you invest in this kind of a segment of the market, I think there is good performance to be had. And over the next 3-4 years, my personal opinion is that returns can be fairly decent going forward. So that's what I thought I will share on the small cap segment. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.